The samurai were the legendary warrior class of Japan, the living embodiment of honor, loyalty, and a martial tradition centuries old. But in the late 19th century, a new Japan emerged from the shadows of isolation. The Meiji Restoration swept away the old feudal order, modernizing the nation at a breathtaking pace. For many samurai, these reforms were a betrayal. The traditional stipends that defined their status were dissolved, and the sacred right to carry swords was abolished. The very soul of the samurai was under threat. Resistance coalesced around Saigō Takamori, a former hero of the Restoration who now saw his ideals corrupted. In 1877, he led a final, desperate army of disaffected samurai from his home domain of Satsuma in a rebellion against the very imperial government he helped create. It was the last stand of a dying way of life. The Satsuma rebels, brave and skilled in traditional combat, faced the modern conscript army of the emperor, equipped with modern rifles, artillery, and warships. The climactic Battle of Shiroyachi was a slaughter. Outgunned and surrounded, Saigō was mortally wounded. Following ancient custom, he was beheaded by a loyal follower. The Satsuma Rebellion was crushed, marking the definitive end of the samurai era. Saigō Takamori, the rebel, would later be pardoned and reborn in memory as a tragic hero, the last